This is my today's thali. This is pakora curry, very tasty in India. Now this is suji chila, we also call rava chila, with tomato sauce. This is appam, very tasty. This is papad. This is sabji of chandalia, okay, and this is roti. So first we take out some food for cow. So now we eat in this. Okay, this is my thali, and we take some food for cow. Then this is roti for cow. Then some sabji for cow. We call cow is our mother in Indians. Cow is our mother. So we first take out food for cow. Now some suji chila for cow. And last curry. This is pakora curry for cow. So this is very tasty food. So this is all food for cow. So now we eat with prayer. So that thank God to give me such a wonderful food. Thank you. Now enjoy my food, and this is very tasty and healthy, and we eat our hands, not like chammach. We eat this with spoon. This is pakora curry. We eat this spoon, but we eat this by our hands like this. We eat like this and eat. Okay, I eat. So because when I eat, I do not talk to you. Then this is papad. We take this papad and mix with pakora curry and eat. This is also very tasty. This is roti. So we eat like this. We take roti. Now take sabji. Okay, and we eat. Okay, now how this is eat? We also eat like this, spoon, and also with roti. And this is appa. This is appam. This is very tasty food. So I break appam, so you can see in this appam. Let's see. This is very tasty. Inside this is tomato plus onion. Okay, I eat food. Thanks for watching this video. Bye. Cooking with thanks. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.